boys and girls, we're doing more of our 10 friends today. So 7's 10 friend is what? It's 3. Good. What is 5's 10 friend? 5. What is 0's? Oops. Mrs. Stewart just gave you the answer. 10's 10 friend is 0. Silly me. What is 8's 10 friend? 2. Good. So we just wrote that 0 and 10 are 10 friends, so we're going to put that here. And then we have 2 here, and we had 2 there. So that means this one is 8. Do you remember 4's 10 friend? 6. 9's 10 friend? 1. And since we have 1 here, that means 9 goes here. And what is 3's 10 friend? It's right up here. It's 7. Good, nice job. Let's see how we can do about memorizing all of those 10 friends. It's going to help us be better with our facts. Okay, so here we are going to do a little bit of flip-flops. So 4 plus 2, how many is that? 6. So if I do 2 plus 4, it's still what? It's still 6. Very good. So here we have some more flip-flop facts. 7 plus 0, we don't have to draw anything for that because we know it's 7. So that means 0 plus 7 is 7. Very good. And our last one is 3 plus 5. How many is that? It's 8. So the last one has 5 plus 3, and we still have 8. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead and put your name at the top, put it in the basket, and start on your dream box.